This is a quick little video to remind you of how to use the store function in your calculator to do computations. This will save you lots of time in lesson 2.7 where you have to verify your solutions and make sure they're not extraneous. So the first thing you want to remember is you're going to input your zero that you're checking, and on this one I think what I did was, let me see, because I can tell you exactly. I believe we checked negative 3/4 first, so that's going to be the first one I check. So input in your calculator negative 3/4 now. And then after you've put in the 3/4, you're going to hit Control if you have an Inspire. And then you're going to hit var if you have an Inspire. If you don't have an Inspire, you have a button that has the STO arrow on it that you'll use. It's a one-step process then. And then Enter right down here. Let me try that again. I haven't gotten good with this little circle tool. Alright, so that's our keystrokes. Once you hit Enter, what you should see is this. So this just verifies that the calculator heard you and says, yep, I got your negative 3/4 stored as X. And then remember, your next thing would be to type in what you're substituting the X into. And when you do that, and this is actually the number 14 example from the 2-7 examples I've done. When you type this in, the X's, remember the X's should show up bold no matter what kind of calculator you have, and then when you hit Enter, you'll get your response. True says it works, that is a solution. But it won't, once you hit Enter, the display no longer shows the bold variables. And then there's another value you want to substitute into the same equation for number 14, and that is 1 should be your other solution you're testing, and we go back and repeat the process we did from the first screen. So you'll Control var to get the store function after you've typed in the 1, and then hit Enter, and the calculator verifies it's got the 1, and then you can come back up, copy this, and hit Enter again, and once again it will redisplay the bolded X's until you hit Enter, and then it will tell you this one didn't work, which tells you that this solution for this problem was extraneous. And that's how you store.